Hi my friends! In this section we will see how to use basic tools in Figma. These lessons will be longer than previous, but they are still rather basic, and if you know how to use Figma already, probably you can skip them, but if you want you can watch them, maybe you will learn something new. So what we will see here? We will see how to use text layers, which options are available. We will see how to use colors, strokes, shadows, opacity, all this stuff for your text, for your images, for your frames. We will see what is a frame in Figma. This is a very important component. This is a building block for everything. We will see how to use shapes in Figma, which of them are available here, how to combine them, how to unite them, how to exclude one from another, and so on. We will practice a little here, and we will see how constraints works in Figma. This allows you to create automatical alignment of your text at your banners. So we will move on and see everything in each separate lesson later. Let's go and learn how to use all these basic things in Figma.